Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your FragranceNet subscription, or you can say Purpl Lux, because their subscription known very popular by the name of Purpl Lux. Okay, so how you can manage your membership or subscription? So first of all, what you have to do, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account on their official website FragranceNet.com, you will see there is a button like very top side, my account section, and once you select my account, at the left side you will see there are lots of options. You need to select manage your Purpl Lux subscription, and once you tap on this button, it will show you your all the active subscriptions, and you can manage, you can cancel your subscription, you can pause your subscription very easily. Okay, but make sure you need to provide at least 1 business day notice period before your next billing date or prior to your next billing date. Okay, so this is the policy and this is the method by which you can cancel your subscription on FragranceNet.com. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.